Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Mathematics made easy. So in today's video, we're gonna solve some problems on the laws of indices. Okay, so the first problem we have here. So simplify the following. So question A, we have 36 raised to the power of 1 over 2. So from a previous video, I already talked about the laws of indices. So in this case, what are we using? So I said if we have a raised to the power of b over m, so I say this is equal to mth roots of a then raised to the power of b. Okay, so this means the square root of 36 then raised to the power of 1. And then remember the square root of 36 that should give us 6. So we can say this is equal to plus or minus 6. Because the third rule, if you take the square root of a number, so you have a plus or minus. I'll read together. So the answer is plus or minus 6. Another question, we have 4 raised to the power of 1 over 6 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then what are you going to do here? So you apply this law. If you have a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n, so this will give us a raised to the power of m plus n. So we're going to have 4 raised to the power of 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. Then this will give us 4 raised to the power, this is fraction 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3. So we can say the LCM is 6. Okay, so 6 and 6 that will give us 1 multiplied by 1. So that will be 1 plus 3 and 6 that will be 2 multiplied by 1. That will give us 2. So then we have 4 raised to the power of 3 over 6. And this will be equal to, 3 and 3 that is 1. 3 and 6 that will be 2. So we have 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. So which also means the square root of 4 and the square root of 4. So that will give us plus or minus 2. So very simple to solve. The next question I have here. So we have 7 raised to the power of 3 divided by 7 raised to the power of 5. So this will be equal to 7 raised to the power of 3 minus 5, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of minus 2. And then we can also apply this law. I said if you have a raised to the power of minus n, this will be equal to 1 over a raised to the power of n. So 7 raised to the power of minus 2, so this will be 1 over 7 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 over 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by 7 will give us 49. So this will be 1 over 49. Very simple problem. So the next problem we have, and we have 5 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of minus 6. So this will be 5 raised to the power of 6 plus minus 6. So plus this minus will give us minus. So we have 5 raised to the power of 6 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 will give us 0. So we have 5 raised to the power of 0. And don't forget, any number raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. So 5 raised to the power of 0 will surely give us 1. So the answer here is 1. Very simple problem. Okay, so let's move on, guys. Now we have this problem that we want to solve. So the problem is 81 over 16, then raised to the power of minus 1 over 4. Okay, now, if you have this kind of question, if you have it in this form, you have a over b raised to the power of minus n. So we can say this is equal to b over a raised to the power of n. That is, we take the reciprocal. Are we together? So we have b over a raised to the power of n. So we can do such in this problem. So we can say 81 over 16 raised to the power of minus 1 over 4 is the same thing as 16 over 81 then raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now remember that 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4. That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. And then also 31 will be 3 raised to the power of 4. Then raised to the power of 1 over 4. Then remember I said if you have a raised to the power of m over b raised to the power of n equals a over b, then everything raised to the power of n. Okay, so this means we have 2 over 3 raised to the power of 4. Then everything raised to the power of this 1 over 4. So we can see 4 we cancel out 4. So what we have now is 2 over 3. And we have our answer. So 2 over 3 is the answer. Okay, now let's solve this problem also. So we have x raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 multiplied by x raised to the power of 3, then everything over x raised to the power of 2. Okay, so this will be equal to, so if we had the exponent here, we have x raised to the power of 6 plus 4 plus 5, then everything over x raised to the power of 2. So 6 plus 4 will give us 10 plus 5 will give us 15. So we have x raised to the power of 15 then over x raised to the power of 2. This is division. Okay, you apply your rule. So we have x raised to the power of a divided by x raised to the power of b. So this will give us x raised to the power of a minus b. So this means we're going to have x raised to the power of 15 minus 2, which is equal to x raised to the power of 13. So very simple to solve. Okay guys, now let's move on to the next example. So next example I have here. So let's say we have 1 over 2x raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. Remember that I said if you have ab raised to the power of n, this means a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. Okay, so 1 over 2x raised to the power of 3 then raised to the power of 2. We can say this is what we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 then multiplied by x raised to the power of 3 then raised to the power of 2. Okay, so 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1 over 4. Then multiply by, x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. So this means x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, and 3 times 2 will give us 6. So we have 1 over 4 and x raised to the power of 6. Okay, so next question. So we have n raised to the power of 2m, then raised to the power of minus 3 multiplied by n raised to the power of 2, then raised to the power of m. Okay, how are we going to solve this? Okay, so we are going to have 2m multiplied by minus 3 will give us n raised to the power of minus 2m, then multiply by 2 multiplied by m right here will give us 2m. Okay, sorry, minus 6m. 2 multiplied by minus 3 will give us minus 6m, and 2 multiplied by m will give us n raised to the power of 2m. Okay, so this will be equal to, you apply your rule, so that will be n raised to the power of minus 6m plus 2m, and minus 6m plus 2m will give us minus 4m. So we have n raised to the power of minus 4m, and we have the answer to that problem. Okay guys, so in our next video we're going to solve more problems on indices. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and click the notification button so anytime I upload video you'll be the first to watch. Thanks guys for watching.